Before we dive into these strategies, let's set the stage. You're giving, paying the minimum on debts, taking care of your necessities, and have your emergency fund built. If that sounds like you, it's time to tackle that debt as fast as possible. Eliminating debt equals building wealth. It's the foundational step that allows you to focus on accumulating assets, making investments, and creating a financial plan that aligns with your long-term goals. There are two powerful strategies to pay off debt as fast as possible: the debt avalanche method and the debt snowball method. The debt avalanche method is about tackling the debts with the highest interest rates first, saving you money in the long run. The debt snowball method, on the other hand, focuses on paying off the smallest debts first, providing quick wins and motivation. Whichever method you choose, the key is to be aggressive. It means throwing every extra dollar you can at your debts, prioritizing them over other expenses. Clear the path to financial freedom, pay off your debt aggressively, and start building the life you dream of.